Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to get into this Richest Roots box, and I got my altar behind me. It's definitely got some magic behind there, as ruins and potions. So without further ado guys, let's open this month's box. I'm always in love with their collections. You guys can go ahead and find them in my comment section and description box down below to visit their moon market or get your awesome witchy box today. This is the Roots one, and ooh, let's see what's in here. I'm always so excited to see what's in these magical boxes. I'm already seeing a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork, but I just want to read the theme for the month because I always forget. So this theme is the process of power, guys. During times of uncertainty, confusion, and chaos, we rely on our sacred connections with the natural elements to empower us and provide us with strength. It is during the troubling times that we embrace our ability to view trials as opportunities for growth and progression. These trials, whichever they may be relevant in our current reality, are presented to us as possible hardships, yet standing as a cloak covering true possibilities. Creativity, the beauty of creation, we work the rituals and the gods who have shown overwhelming bravery in the face of adversity and seeming defeat. In this very powerful and prominent collection, we work with the energies that lift us up, giving us new perspectives as we may claim victory in all aspects of our journey. The magical items in this box are as follows. I'm so excited, and that is so true. So let's see, guys. Ooh. Looks like there's a Carnelian Book of Shadows for the Carnelian Stone, guys. It works with the element of fire, very fiery energy, the salamanders, the fire sprites, and guardians of that southern gateway. And Archangel Michael, bless you, Maleficent. My cat just sneezed. Oh, pretty. And there's another Book of Shadows artwork, guys, and this one's for Cinnamon. So perfect for the season, for what we're in right now. And the autumn equinox just passed, we're in fall. Just gotta love some cinnamon. Book of Shadows artwork. It says, the magical properties of cinnamon is, the usage of cinnamon is both ancient and ample as an incense or oil. Cinnamon is excellent for anointing, purifying, consecrating, and raising spiritual vibration. It is very likely ingredient in the ancient Hebrews traveling altar. Oh my god, my leg is vibrating so crazy. I'm feeling energy in their box, guys, and it's manifesting in my left leg. Okay, let's see what's in this baby. I'm so excited, guys. Just look how nice they always wrap everything. It's like so secure, nothing's gonna break in the post. And it's always wrapped in something else, guys, so people don't know you're getting a witchy subscription box in case people are gonna want to do harm to your stuff. So, I'm so in love with this already. Let's open this little pouch first. Ooh, a magical power. This is so cool, guys. I love these. They're so beautiful. It's like their little sigil necklaces. I don't know if you guys could see it. I have a close-up. My ring light's kind of washing it out, but it's so cool. It says, magical power by the 3 rays of magic within the witching hour. By the 5 stars of the north, I summon forth true magic power, so mote it be. I'm getting goosebumps and I feel the magic already, guys. This is so beautiful. These are cute. I could always wear them, but I love using them as, how would you say, like it's a charm, so I add it to like my bag, my backpack, a clutch. I add it to like my magical books of shadows. I have one in here that I read every day that I need another charm for, so I can use it for that. Like, whenever you're gonna do magic, you guys can use this, and it's so beautiful. You can even wear it when you do your magic, but I love adding these as little charms on my stuff, so on my day-to-day life, I can remember to do magic. So this is very beautiful. I love that, guys. And I see a Carnelian bracelet in this pouch. Ooh, and it's see-through. You can totally recycle this pouch later to store your bracelet or to make a little magical sachet. And this is so pretty, guys. It's a Carnelian bracelet, and I was feeling guided today to wear this blazer. It's kind of hard to see, guys, because the ISO, like the light from my ring light's not the brightest, but there's red lines of sparkle in this. And my cat... Ugh, excuse me, guys, my cat's chilling over there. She's being nosy. But I felt guided to wear this blazer with red in it today, and I got a Carnelian bracelet. It's so beautiful. I love it. So happy to work with that energy, and definitely feel the beautiful energy that the Witch's Moon put into these crystals, because whenever you guys get crystals, you want to cleanse, clear, consecrate, smudge them, program them, but I'm obviously going to program it and I will smudge it, but the energy and the work they put into it, like, you never need to. Like, it's crazy, guys. I've gotten crystals from so many metaphysical shops, Etsy stores, well-known people, and I've had to smudge them, but with them, I swear by them, they're just amazing, and the work they do is so sacred, guys. They really take care of their crystals that they send to us, which I appreciate. So let's see, guys, what's in this one. This, no way, this is so cool, guys. I think this is a little Carnelian Arrowhead. How cool! And they put it in this bubble wrap so it won't break. I've seen different crystalled arrowheads, guys, but I've never seen a Carnelian one. I have to make this into a charm for my magical books, or like make it into a cute bookmark, or even a little necklace. This is so cute, guys. It's a Carnelian arrowhead. Or even attach it to like a stick from like a sacred tree, and then you can use it in the air like a little athame. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It's a little Carnelian arrowhead. And it looks like there's some cinnamon in here, and you guys can never have enough cinnamon for your magic. It smells so good, even through the back. I just bought my mom some cinnamon sticks for her magic. And now I got blessed with some for mine. How cool. I got her some cinnamon sticks. And let's see what else is in here, guys. It looks like we got the Ritual Body Oil for this month. So the Ritual Body Oil for this month is Lahel. It looks very beautiful, and some of the oil actually kind of came out. So let's smell it. I think I need to open it to get a full smell, because I smell the cardboard on it. Okay, it's a light scent, guys, but it has a little bit of fall hint, so it smells good. It smells good, guys. It's just a very light scent, which is nice if you don't want something overpowering. And it comes with a little dropper so you guys can drop the oil all over you. Beautiful potion of theirs. And we got a ritual incense stick too for this month. It smells so good in fall with that protective energy, and I smell cinnamon in it, which is amazing. And we do also have a spell candle. This is like a great basic box, guys. It's very affordable, and you guys can use it to create your magic and work with Mother Earth and the herbs. Oh, this is great, guys. It's a yellow candle for the element of air, and just great color to work with this fall season. And beeswax candle. You can never have enough of these. I love them. I got my black one right there behind me, guys, that I got from this month's Witch's Moon box. I just gotta love their collections. It's always so amazing. So this is a Carnelian altar arrowhead, guys. We have included a Carnelian arrowhead to hold within your hand while creating energy throughout your day. This arrowhead can be placed on your altar or bring activation and enchantment into your sacred space. This is cute. Honestly, they might be right. I might want to have this on my altar for the fall season. Like, I just offered Goddess Nyx these fall flowers I bought, and then I harvested some, then I worked with the Ascended Masters and made some magical potions, and I got my new witch's bell from them, and this would look so cute in this little hand. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm going to do a Samhain altar tour, like a Hallows Eve altar tour, and it's like this skeleton hand that's like this, and it has my witch's bell on top, and then it would look cute to have the little arrowhead on it. But the energy from this is just so beautiful, guys. I love it. The Litho Ritual Body Oil is one of the many angels of Aries. Resided within the 72 angels of the zodiac, this specific angel assists us with increasing our level of ambition and pushes us towards achievements in our chosen fields. Affirmation: I call upon Lahel to provide me. I'm sorry, I think I butchered your names a couple times, Angel. I'm so sorry. I call upon Lahel to provide me with the willingness to take risks that may allow me to accomplish those things that I would not have otherwise known. We have included this ritual body oil with ginger, lemon, orange, and cloves. In addition, we have included ginger root inside your oil, and you will find Lemurian quartz. That's so cool, guys. I just love their oils, and honestly, I'm feeling a little sick. Like, I've had a sore throat, and I coughed a little bit today, and I just have that sick feeling in my throat. So I'm going to put some of this on my throat. And I'm going to call upon Angel Lahel throughout time and space. May you bless my throat, mind, body, and spirit. May I be aligned in perfect alignment and in good health. And may this little bit of sickness now be erased. And so it is. Thank you, beautiful angel. Blessed be. And I love these guys because honestly, I love wands and magical tools. Like, they're fun. And I use it sometimes during my big moon rituals and stuff, guys. But honestly, I just love the Witch's Moon's oils because you just like put the little potion on your fingernails. I've told you guys a couple times before, and you just enchant your nails because honestly your hands are your most powerful tools, and everything else is just a fun enhancement, guys. So you can wear their Carnelian bracelet that you got for the energy, and the fire and the protection, and then your hands are the magical talismans, and you just start brewing and creating your magic. So super fun. And I guess I'll read you guys what the Carnelian Bracelet is about, because I think I just showed you the Book of Shadows artwork, but I didn't read to you guys about it. Carnelian is an absolute favorite of ours and is commonly found near our altars or placed among a variety of sigils and intentional writings. We refer to carnelian as a stone of action, for it provides us with neat determination in times of fatigue. Within deep contemplation or energy work, carnelian provides life force energies as a wonderful companion. When working under strict deadlines or simply assisting in pushing us through our continued hard work, it is needed to accomplish great works. Wear this beautiful stone bracelet when you are feeling uneasy or unwilling. Connect with its powerful and courageous energies to overcome and accomplish. Elemental fire connection. I just love it, guys, and I'll read to you some more about the magic of cinnamon, because they definitely went all out on this beautiful paper. Sorry guys, my cat just knocked over my potions that I'm charging. So it says, cinnamon is steeped within the rich and sacred histories of healing practices written about by ancient scribes of ancient China more than 4,000 years ago. At one time, around the 1st century AD, it was written that cinnamon was worth 15 times the value of silver in weight, providing insight into how important and revered this plant and spice therefore became throughout history. It is so interesting to know that plants and spices such as these became a treasure worth fighting and bargaining for in times of old. Fast forward to our current time, cinnamon still holds its importance in its abilities to enhance magical and healing practices throughout many cultures around the world. The wonderful properties of cinnamon have been empowering us throughout our practices for many years, providing a surge of potent and resilient passion during times of stagnation or fearful thinking. The full spectrum of scent and energetic qualities ignites our spiritual powers and gives power to our deepest yearnings of potential. Associated with the prominent energies of the sun, cinnamon shines light upon the dark and the dreary tasks of shadow work, which is amazing for this time, guys. This allows us to view challenges through the lenses of a true sage, a wise being, and a victorious warrior. Although we may not be stepping into a battlefield of bloodshed, each day we step out into our own version of adversity, and we must treat these experiences with the same determination and courage. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna let you guys read more because my throat's hurting. Definitely getting sick, but that's so true. And honestly, guys, I feel like we are walking into a battlefield every day, especially if you guys work the customer service like me. You guys totally understand and feel that vibe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon's Roots box in the comment section and description box down below. They also have a moon market. Let them know I sent you guys to get your fun magical tools. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications down below so you'll be notified for all my future content. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May we meet, may we part, and may we meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.